Let me be honest with you for a second. You are probably watching this video because something is not working. Maybe you go to work every single day, you put in the hours, you give everything you have. And at the end of the month, when you look at your bank account, you wonder where it all went. Maybe you have been doing this for years. Maybe you have been doing this for most of your life. And the terrifying part is not the struggle itself. The terrifying part is the quiet realization that if you stopped working tomorrow, everything would fall apart within weeks. That thought, that specific thought, is what keeps millions of people awake at night. And if you felt something in your chest just now when you read that, then this video was made for you. Here is the reality that most people never talk about out loud. Trading your time for money is a trap. Not because working hard is wrong. Working hard is honorable. But when your income is entirely dependent on your physical presence, on your hours, on your availability, you have built your entire financial life on something that can be taken away at any moment. One health scare, one layoff, one unexpected emergency, and suddenly the whole structure collapses. You are not building security, you are building a house of cards and hoping the wind never comes. Now stop for a moment, because before we go any further, I want to point something out. What you are learning right now, this shift in perspective, this is exactly the kind of thinking that separates people who eventually break free from financial stress and people who stay stuck for decades. And if you want to go deeper into the strategies and systems that make this possible faster, we have related programs linked down below in the video description. Do not scroll past them without at least looking. Most people will, and most people will still be in the exact same position 2 years from now. The choice is yours right now. But let us get back to where you are standing right now, because I genuinely want you to feel seen in this moment. You are not lazy. You are not bad with money. You are not the problem. The problem is that nobody ever taught you that there is a completely different way to build a financial life. A way where money does not only come in when you show up, a way where the work you do today can keep paying you tomorrow, next month, next year. That concept is called passive income. And it is not a fantasy, it is not a scheme, it is a fundamental financial principle that has been quietly building wealth for generations, while most people were too busy clocking in and clocking out to notice. So what does passive income actually mean in the simplest possible terms? It means setting something up once that continues to generate money over time without you having to constantly trade your hours for it. Think about it like planting a tree. You dig the soil, you plant the seed, you water it consistently for a while. And then one day, that tree starts producing fruit on its own. You do not have to rebuild the tree every single morning. You do not have to earn the fruit by showing up. The fruit comes because the tree is there, and because you did the work up front to plant it. That is passive income. Now here is where the emotional weight of this really hits. Imagine 2 different versions of your life 5 years from now. In the first version, you kept doing exactly what you are doing now, trading time for money, building someone else's dream, watching every dollar come in through your labor, and every dollar go out through your expenses. 5 years pass, and you are in the same spot, maybe a little more tired, maybe a little more frustrated, maybe quietly wondering if this is all there is. In the second version, you made a shift. You started building even one stream of passive income 5 years ago. Something small, something that grew slowly and then faster, and now 5 years later, you wake up on a random Tuesday morning and money has moved into your account while you were sleeping. Not because of luck, because of a decision you made 5 years earlier to start. The cost of inaction is not just financial. It is emotional. It is the weight of stress you carry into family dinners. It is the arguments that happen because of money, or more specifically because of the fear of not having enough money. It is the dreams you quietly let go of because you convinced yourself they were not realistic. Researchers who study financial stress consistently show that money anxiety is one of the most significant drivers of overall life dissatisfaction. We are not just talking about bank account numbers. We are talking about your peace of mind, your relationships, your health, the quality of years that are passing right now. But here is the shift that changes everything. Passive income does not require you to be rich to start. That is the myth that keeps most people from ever beginning. The truth, backed by countless real stories of ordinary people who transform their financial lives, is that you start where you are. You use what you have. You build over time. The percentage of ultra-wealthy individuals who have multiple streams of income is staggering compared to those who rely on a single paycheck. That gap is not luck. It is structure. It is intentional design. They built systems, and systems do not care how much money you started with. They reward consistency and patience. Let me paint you a vivid picture of what building passive income actually feels like in real life. In the beginning, it feels like nothing is working. You are putting in effort and the return seems invisible. That is the hardest phase. Most people quit here. They stop. They go back to what feels safe. But the people who push through that phase discover something extraordinary. The momentum that builds quietly in the background suddenly becomes visible. Returns start compounding. One stream becomes two, two becomes three, and the relationship between your time and your money starts to fundamentally change. You are no longer the engine. You have built an engine. And engines run whether you are watching them or not. Now, some of you watching this are thinking you are not a finance person. You do not understand investing. You are not tech savvy. You do not have a big audience or a big network. And here is the beautiful truth. Those things do not disqualify you. In fact, if you feel completely new to all of this, you are actually in a better position than someone who has spent years reinforcing bad financial habits. A blank slate is a gift. What matters is your willingness to learn and your willingness to take the first step. The people who thrive in building passive income are not the people with the most credentials or the most money. They are the people who got tired of waiting for permission. They are the people who decided that their future was too important to leave in the hands of a paycheck they did not control. They are people exactly like you. Ordinary backgrounds, real financial stress, real doubts, but a decision that changed the trajectory of everything. Now let us talk about what time actually does when you combine it with passive income. This is where the numbers become almost emotional. Small, consistent streams of income built over months and years do not just add up. They multiply. That is the nature of compounding. Every dollar that works for you today creates capacity for more dollars to work for you tomorrow. Time is not working against you in this model. Time is your most powerful ally. But only if you start. Every day you wait is a day that compounding cannot work in your favor. And that is not pressure. That is just the honest math of how financial growth works. Here is the final thing I want to leave with you. You have felt the weight of financial uncertainty. You have felt the exhaustion of working hard and still feeling behind. You have probably felt the silent fear that things might never actually change. But the fact that you are here right now watching this video tells me something about you. It tells me you are not willing to accept a future that looks exactly like today. That impulse, that reaching for something better, that is the beginning of everything. Do not walk away from that feeling. Honor it by taking action right now. The related programs linked down below in this video description exist specifically for people who are ready to stop watching from the sidelines and start building something real. Most people will scroll past without clicking, and most people will still be in the same place years from now. But you are not most people. You already proved that by making it here. The next step is yours.